Hello guys, my name is Ishan and he is Rahul,
Hi guys.
he is Mayank
Hello guys.
and he is Sonu.
Hi everyone.
And today we will be discussing on the Hindu newspaper of 30th November, and this discussion will be from the OPED page, and it will be about the Paris Agreement. So let's start.
So it is an agreement which was signed between the mostly developed or developing country. It is related to the climate change or
Pollution.
every environmental issue which is just going on in the world. It is also about the global warming. Yeah. So you can also include some lines
Yes,
in
so first I will be going to tell that this article is written by T.N. Srinivasan.
it. No, it is written by T.P. Srinivasan.
Huh. So the article mainly state about America and India, because these two our country are in hype nowadays.
Yeah.
So what happened that we all know that Donald Trump, when he came to be the president of US, he told that America will not be the part of this agreement.
Yeah.
But what happened that when nowadays Joe Biden is the current president of the United States, so he is telling that Paris Agreement, America will also take part in it.
In rejoin it.
Yes.
He will rejoin it.
And then I will explain about the history of this agreement. Like we all know that there was a time when Indira Gandhi was president.
Not president, prime minister.
Prime Minister, sorry, Prime Minister. So what happened that not from nowadays people think that global warming and these pollution issues and flood and many environmental issues have occurred now only.
Nowadays.
But what happened that there is a much bigger history behind this. From Indira Gandhi time and from past also, this was a great diseffect of this nature, and it happened because of us only.
Yeah.
So what happened that India have joined this agreement, and this agreement states about controlling the temperature. Like we all know, there is global warming and there is hole in atmosphere, but during the pandemic period it got resolved, but not all of it. So this Paris agreement states that only.
So one thing more that you talked about temperature. So nowadays, if you see about the temperature, then temperature has raised about 1.5 degrees Celsius, which has
Plus
caused
1.5
death of many
Coral reef.
coral reefs. So many people are telling that if it will raise, or scientists have proved that if it will raise up to 2 degrees Celsius, then
All
there
the
will
coral reefs will died.
died. Means no any coral reef will
remain.
left.
And there is one fact also about coral reef, that the biggest coral reef is in Australia.
Yeah, there is
Great
a-
Barrier Reef.
Great barrier.
And it can be seen from space also.
Yeah.
And one thing that I forgot to mention, that Donald Trump called the agreement a hoax.
Not
Which
only
is-
a Donald Trump, Isan.
Many
Along with
other
him, there
people.
were many scientists who are just not
In support, in support with this Paris agreement, so they told that this is not good.
Okay, so now as we have seen that the main reasons for human activities, so I am going to tell you few of the ways. There are some data and all from where we got that we use perfume bottles, and as we know that they expel out many such of the poisonous gases and all, which got mixed in the air, and due to which we got pollution, and indirectly all the living beings are harmed by it. So
It
we-
contains plastic also, the cans.
the cans contain plastic also, so
And
there
metals which cannot be degraded.
Yeah.
so we should think over it, and then we should perceive it personally. We all perceived it personally that as we human activities decreased in this pandemic due to lockdowns, and also we seen that environment recovered itself very properly, but again it is rising and it was not all enough. So we need to think about it, and we should means do something due to which the pollution can decrease and all, and we should do this all.
Yeah, man, as you are telling that, and and earlier you discussed about that Donald Trump has left that
But
Paris
can
agreement.
you tell
But
me some ways that
see-
we can save pollution, we can decrease pollution?
yes, sure, I will tell other next time. But now I'm going to tell you that what was the history behind it and why our country India joined it this.
Okay, okay.
So the reason behind it was there was a election in US in 2015, and here India was directly supporting to the Democratic Party, Barack Obama's party, and because at that time there was very good relationship between them,
India
and
and US.
yeah, and they were telling that we will join that, but when after election the Donald Trump won that competition, or we can say election, and then he avoided that. We will not join this,
He denied
and denied. And but India has already joined it, so but then India need to follow it, because our country was a developing country, and along with
Democratic also, many
yeah.
people supported this agreement. In our
yeah,
country.
and many of the developing countries has they were in against of this agreement
Agreement,
now.
Yeah.
Because they need to work on it, because as developing country has, they need to increase industrialization, urbanization and all. So
like our teacher also told that India cannot decrease the
use
plastic
of
because
plastics.
it
Yeah,
is a
because it's
developing country.
developing country. Yeah.
So this was all for this video. Share this video because it is general knowledge, and we will meet you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you soon, guys.